Are you looking for a newer tabletop ring light to up your lighting game that's affordable, where you can dual broadcast and it's under $50? Then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Jay and welcome to my channel. Here we talk all about tools, tips, and strategies to level up your business, have fun, and live the life you desire. If that sounds like something of interest to you, then become a part of the family by subscribing, hit the notification bell, and that way you can be informed when videos like this and others are uploaded. So let's dive in. So as you can see, I got this from Amazon. Okay, this is an unboxing and review video. So at the end, I will give you my thoughts on this item after using it for a few, weeks or months. I do like that I was able to get this. I think it took, actually, even with the Prime membership, this took maybe about 4 days to a week to get. Which is a little long for Prime, but because of everything going on right now, I can understand. So it took a little longer than normal, but I'm glad that I got it here. So this is a Neewer ring light. Now, the reason why I chose the Neewer ring light is because I actually have a Neewer Diva light that's a lot larger and I really like it. So I wanted to try the tabletop one to see, is it a nice quality brand? And just they give you the normal stuff in a Amazon box. Okay. So this is a ring light and it came with a tripod. That's the one I purchased. They had some that didn't have a tripod, some that does. So it's totally up to you which one you want. This is a 10-inch, I believe. Let's check it out. So it comes with packing parts, instruction manual, this is the ring light. It's a 10-inch ring light. It does have a dimmer and all of that. It's not a remote, but it's on the cord itself. USB. Comes with a bag. I really like how Neewer makes sure that they give you a bag or something to carry your ring light in, which really is a great thing, because if you do a lot of videos, if you're a business owner and you do a lot of videos, or if you're a YouTuber or you do a lot of or Facebook Live or whatever, and you are looking for a ring light where you can take with you if you go on vacation or want to move from place to place, I love the fact that they give you a bag. So far, so good. It does have the Neewer on it. Opens up very easy. Let's see how high this goes up. It's the first level. It's the first level. So this goes up like a full-size tripod. So even though this said that this is a tabletop ring light, this is actually on the floor. And look how high it is. It goes all the way down. So that's pretty cool. So one thing I noticed about this is that it gives you two different phone holders. One which can be used here, and this is the other one. So if you wanted to do a dual stream, such as like Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, and you don't have a live streaming software such as like StreamYard, you're able to do 2 different ones at the same time. So that's a great thing. Okay, and this actually goes up pretty high too. So even though it says tabletop, you can really use this like a regular ring light. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this, and you can attach it 2 different ways depending on what you like. You just turn this, you use this, this is one way, and you just put this here and just put the screw right through it until it's tight. Okay. Go ahead and tighten this part. So next you want to put this on, this shoe, and you just want to loosen the bottom because it's really tight. So you just want to loosen the bottom so that it slides in here, and then just retighten it. And then here you can attach this. You can put top or bottom. Just around, twist it around, and then you can tighten it by this back little button. See it here? You just tighten that. Oh, this is just one of my phones. I'm just going to go ahead and slide. Let's see if we can do the second one as well. To put the second part on, you pull up the ring, the tripod part, right here, and you tighten this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and try to put this second piece in. Now with here, I notice this piece clips over, and then it goes on this part. Okay, but there is a part that slides out, so you want to be very careful not to lose this because this is the gripping tool. Okay, so I don't know why they just didn't glue it in. It's probably a reason, but just be careful if you're going somewhere with this. So just make sure that these 2 pieces line up, and you stick it on the sliding part here of the tripod. Okay. Seems to slide in pretty good. No, but as you can see, you can do a dual broadcast. So if you want to put your other phone here. So if you want to have another phone here, you actually can do 2, which is good. You would definitely have to line up both cameras right side, like on the same side, so that way it looks like you're looking at both of them at the same time. And if you push it back farther enough, I'm sure that you'll be able to look at both cameras without it look like you're not looking at neither one. Okay, and this does go up and down. So that's a good thing. That was a good reason to buy. Now, also what I noticed is that they do have a little clip here, so you can put your remote in the clip, this part on the opposite side, and then put your remote inside here. And again, this goes up as high as you want it to. So you don't have to feel like it has to be so close. Okay, so that way you don't have to lose it. I think that's a good idea. Let me show you this up close. The one thing that I will say is a minus with a lot of pluses. They didn't give you anything to plug this in with. So I have to go find my own plug to plug this in or plug it on a computer, which is aggravating. I don't like when companies do stuff like this. If you couldn't charge me a couple dollars more to give me a cord, I don't like that. But other than that, the construction of this seems to be very sturdy. It doesn't seem cheap at all for it to be under $50. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so I cut the light off in the room so we can see how this looks. One thing you do have to do with the remote here is you have to hold the power button, the top one is a power button, so it can come on. So let's see. It's the light. Let's see if we turn it up. The brightness. You can see that. And that's dim. So I'm going to show it on me in a minute. Okay, so the 3 light colors are there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this a few times and tell you what my review is before we conclude this video. Because at this point, what I can tell you that I do like is that this is a strong structure. It's definitely not cheap. I love the fact that literally it says tabletop light. However, you can literally put this on the ground and you have more than enough height. So that's a good thing. I love the fact that it comes with a bag. It's a dual broadcast. So if you don't have any other programs, this would be great that you can use it for. I like the fact that you also have the remote, so I don't have to keep touching the devices. It is very it's easy to transport. I'll just need to see the type of lighting that it gives with, I guess, overhead lighting, because I don't think that this is going to be bright enough with just no lighting at all in the room. I think you definitely need to have at least overhead lighting on so that it can still cover your face or whatever you're doing brightly. So I'll give you an update in at least a month, and I'll tell you what my review is. So, question of the day. So are you ready to get your very own Neewer tabletop dual broadcasting ring light? If so, I will make sure I put the description and the link below. Also, if you're also interested in learning about a 18-inch ring light and everything that came with that, I'll also put that link for that video above, and make sure you check that out so that you can know the difference in both. So this is a 2.5-month review on the Neewer tabletop ring light. One thing I can say is it was an awesome buy. I absolutely love all the features that come with this ring light. First of all, so even though this says that it's a tabletop, literally you can use it as a tabletop if you do a lot of talking head videos or anything, but you can use this as a full size tripod ring light. I mean, I'm 5'3" and it becomes way taller than I am. I mean, it's absolutely crazy how it can convert to a tabletop as well as grow to as high as you want. And one thing, when I was looking for tabletops, I didn't like how a lot of them you could not really adjust the height. This is a great ring light that allows you to use it in that convertible way. Another thing that I love about it is, I'm filming on it right here so you can see the type of lighting that it offers. I love the fact that it has that dual broadcast. I bought this as a gift for my husband for Father's Day, and he uses it for his YouTube channel, and he loves the dual broadcast. I mean, he uses it all the time, and that's the great thing about it. If you don't have a streaming software, that's a phenomenal addition that they have. Also, this clicker, this Bluetooth, you can use this to, for your camera or for your phone. I absolutely love both. You can use it for both of them while you're using it, so that's a great thing. Also, with this light, it has cool settings as well as bright settings, and I think it goes up to 10 different levels, and you really get a nice light from this light. And I feel like the Neewer brand is really good at making a good quality product that you can use. Definitely durable, or you're a content creator, this is a great tool in your arsenal, especially if you like multiple lights coming into. This could be a great addition to any other light that you have, or it can be standalone. So I love this. I'm so glad that I bought this, and for the price, it was absolutely very nice, because there were some other ones that don't offer all the things that this offers and that carrying case. I actually use this light more sometimes than my Diva light if I'm moving in different places, parts of the house, or going out, because it's so much
easier to move without me having to worry about how big that light is, and I don't want to break it. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure you look at some of my other ones, or if you'd like to learn about the unboxing and review and assembly of the Diva Neewer light that I think is like 18 inches, you can check out one of my other videos below, and I'll make sure I put it in the playlist. So thank you as always for watching.